The purpose of this project is to explore the visual meaning of the type beyond the meaning of the glyphs used in it, to communicate the meaning of the word through a well-designed typogram. I started by doing multiple sketches, um, finding different words that I felt like would turn into good designs or had a good meaning behind them. I selected a few to take on from the thumbnail sketches and into actual digital compositions. First one is stratum. The definition of stratum's layers, something that has a lot of layers, like sedimentary rock. So that's the idea that I wanted to convey. And so I made multiple layers, different thicknesses, and tried to balance them out. Next, I did a design with the word recite to, you know, dictate something verbally from memory. So I tried to, um, use different weight and different glyphs inside of this typogram to show good, a good flow and a good balance, and also communicate the idea of reciting. So I used the quotation marks and the colon to indicate that it was something that was dictated, something that was memorized. Next, I did cog. A cog is one of the teeth on a gear, and so as a gear works, each cog transfers that energy to another cog. So I wanted to show a good motion from element to element in this typogram. Vanish, on the other hand, I feel like was my best design. I actually ended up turning this one into my final. Here's a copy of the first composition. I tried to use the weight of each individual glyph as well as a gradient to um, show the idea of vanishing, how something will become invisible. The definition of vanish is to pass out of sight, especially quickly, disappear. My final, I placed lines above and below vanish to create more of a solid shape, and um, used a better gradient and different weights than I had in the previous example. And I really feel like my um, final design hit the whole idea on the head. Um, so in conclusion, this project, I feel like I was able to create a well-balanced and usable design. It communicates the idea as well as completes a form that is a complete shape and unified design. It's not just a word, it's an idea, a concept greater than just a printing of glyphs, and that is the idea I tried to communicate in my design.